Hello, I'm Dr. Samantha Hayes, educator, parent, and founder of Beyond the Screen Families. I'm excited to introduce you to an incredible resource from SNS Worldwide, the Family Engagement Event Kit. With over 20 years in education as a teacher, principal, and administrator, and as a parent of 2 young children, I know how much time and energy it takes to plan meaningful family events. That's why this kit is such a game changer. It saves hours of prep while delivering engaging, hands-on learning experiences families will love. The version I'm unboxing today is focused on supporting literacy. But these turnkey kits support grades K through 3 and come in multiple themes: math, STEAM, SEL, and even literacy and fitness. So schools can host events that meet a wide range of goals. When I first opened the kit, my immediate thought was, where was this when I was an administrator? Everything you need is right here, beautifully organized, easy to set up, and all stored in a tote for your reuse. Inside, you'll find a guide on how to host a successful event and 4 ready-to-go stations that make family engagement interactive, fun, and screen-free. The book station. Families can explore a variety of engaging, high-interest books together. With comprehension cubes and storytelling prompts, reading becomes a shared experience that sparks joy and discussion. The game station. From Scrabble Junior to Bingo, families enjoy games that build literacy and cognitive skills while creating positive connections. The craft station. There are several hands-on projects like decorating journals that gives families a chance to create together, practice fine motor skills, and take something meaningful home. The activity station. This contains movement-based learning tools like Alphabet Marks the Spot, which reinforces literacy concepts in fun, memorable ways, designed so families can replicate it at home. And here's what makes these activities even more powerful. They guide parents on how to keep learning alive, fun, and active in their own homes. Every activity shows families how to extend learning experiences into their daily life. Plus, the kit includes 60 journals and 60 pencils as take-home keepsakes, keeping the impact and extending it even further. When consumables run out, refill kits make it easy to keep hosting year after year. What I love most is that this kit makes family engagement both doable and impactful. No more hours spent sourcing materials or piecing together activities. SNS has done all the work so you can focus on creating meaningful connections.